Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to backtest a trading strategy on MetaTrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform launches and you can see your main trading dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll notice several options there, including File, View, Insert, and others. Go ahead and click on View to reveal a drop-down menu with various display and tool options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Strategy Tester. This is the powerful built-in tool that allows you to test your trading strategies against historical market data before risking real money. Clicking this option will open the Strategy Tester panel, typically at the bottom of your screen, where you can configure all your backtesting parameters. Now you'll see several tabs at the top of the Strategy Tester panel. These include Single, Indicator, Visualize, Stress and Delays, Complete Optimization, Genetic Optimization, Forward Optimization, Market Scanner, and Math Calculations. Each mode serves a different testing purpose, but for this example, we're going to click on Single. This mode is perfect for testing a single strategy with specific parameters, which is ideal when you want to evaluate how a particular setup would have performed historically. Next, locate the Expert drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the expert advisors or trading strategies you have installed in your MetaTrader 5 platform. Choose the strategy you want to backtest from this list. This selection determines which automated trading system will be tested against the historical data. After selecting your expert advisor, move to the Symbol drop-down menu. Click on it and choose the trading symbol or currency pair you want to test your strategy against. For example, you might select URUSD, GPTUSD, or any other instrument available in your platform. The symbol you choose should align with what you plan to trade with this strategy in live markets. Now navigate to the date field and input your desired testing period. This determines the historical time frame over which your strategy will be evaluated. Selecting an appropriate date range is crucial because it ensures your backtest covers various market conditions, including trends, ranges, and different volatility levels. Next, click on the Forward drop-down menu. Here you can choose between No, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, or Custom. Forward testing splits your historical data into two parts, one for initial backtesting and another for validation, which helps prevent overfitting your strategy to past data. Then click on the Delays dropdown and select a delay option. This setting simulates real-world trading conditions by adding latency between signal generation and order execution, making your backtest more realistic. Now move to the Modeling drop-down menu. For the most accurate results, choose every tick based on real ticks. This modeling method uses actual tick data to simulate price movements, providing the highest quality backtest results available in MetaTrader 5. After that, input an amount in the deposit field. This represents your starting account balance for the backtest. Enter a realistic amount that reflects what you'd actually trade with, as this affects position sizing and overall strategy performance metrics. You'll also see an optimization section. For a simple backtest, you can disable the optimization feature. Optimization is used when you want to test multiple parameter combinations, but for now we're just running a single test with fixed settings. Once everything is configured and you've double-checked all your settings, click the Start button. The system will now begin processing your backtest, running your strategy through the historical data you specified. This may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the complexity of your strategy and the length of your testing period. And that's it. You've successfully run a backtest of your trading strategy on MetaTrader 5, and you can now analyze the results to see how your strategy would have performed historically. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.